Hi and welcome back. Today's video is going to tackle a frequent problem that SRE and DevOps professionals face. SQL queries that are taking too long to execute. We'll show you how you can get ChatGPT to create a report that points out such queries, and even a basic troubleshooting script that resolves some of the issues. So let's begin. Here's the ChatGPT interface. I'm going to type in a simple command. Write me a runbook that looks for SQL queries taking a long time to execute. Now, I also want to create a report for the last 7 days so that I can go through them and figure out which ones need to be tackled first. So I'm also going to put together a report from data in the last 7 days. ChatGPT will process our request and provide an appropriate response. Let's go there directly. So ChatGPT gave us a 6-step process to create our runbook. It starts out by installing the necessary libraries, importing the required modules, and connecting to the database. Next, it extracts the timestamp and the execution time of each query in the database, records the one that took longer than a certain threshold that I can specify in the query, and then sorts them in a descending order from the longest to the shortest running ones. In step 5, it builds the report that I asked it to at the beginning. The report will contain the date of execution, the time it took to run, and the query name. The last step fetches the report, which you can now print out, save to a file, or email. Now that I have this report, the next step is to troubleshoot the queries that are problematic. So let me just ask ChatGPT to guide me on some basic troubleshooting steps. Here's what ChatGPT had to say. It gave me several things to do in order to troubleshoot the queries I collected in my report. The first step is to use the explain command in SQL to print out a map of how the query is running. ChatGPT gives us a neat little function to print out the entire output of the explain command. In step 8, it shows you how to check indexing. Steps 9 through 13 offer various possible things to look at, such as monitoring server performance, using archiving and partitioning to reduce database size, query optimization, external factors like third-party applications slowing down the database, and tweaking database configuration parameters to adjust for optimal performance. So that's it for this video, folks. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more useful tips on how to use ChatGPT for solving simple tech support problems. Thank you for watching.